welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. Now, what you're looking at is my collection of decor. I love content creating here on YouTube, and I love to DIY. And I love creating beautiful tablescapes. But what it requires is a lot of stuff. And it has taken over every closet, every cupboard, every place, every corner that you could possibly imagine. It is everywhere. So to help me tackle some of this mess, today I am participating in the monthly Clean and Declutter Open Collab hosted by Small Town 6. Now my wife was kind enough to help me turn this unused coat closet into a decor storage closet. And this is where I plan to condense all of my decor to one area. So sit back, relax, and grab your favorite drink while I get to work moving all the decor from so many areas of my home into this one closet. Now, I am starting to feel the satisfaction. Those cupboards are clearing out. Those corners are finally clean. On top of my cabinets, they are clean as well. And it's starting to feel really good in here. I'm about at the halfway mark, so I'm going to give you a quick tour of what it looks like so far. Honey, this is a game changer. All of my decor neatly organized in one place. So easy to find. So let me go through and tell you what I've done. On the top shelf, I have some party supplies, gift wrapping, and also gift bags. Next to that, I have all of my chargers. Moving down to the next shelf, I have all of my placemats, cloth napkins, and napkin rings. I also have my tablecloths and runners. Moving down to the next shelf, I have my trays, tiered trays, and tiered tray decor. And on the last shelf, I have all of my candles, neatly organized, pillar candles together, and all of my tapers together, and then all of my candle holders. Nice, neat, and organized. If you like today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And make sure you visit our host channel, Small Town 6, and let her know that Amethyst sent you. Link, as well as the link to the playlist, will be in my description box below. I hope this video gives you inspiration to get into those closets, honey, and sweep out the cobwebs. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.